Hello, my name is Lawrence Kluge and I'm a research assistant at the Institute of Metal Forming of the RWTH Aachen University. I have been a member of the TRI 188 for a few months now, and I am working on the transfer project T03 in cooperation with Schaeffler. Specifically, I am investigating the development of damage along the hot forming process chain of ring rolling, including the influence of the preform operations. The ring rolling process chain is used to manufacture seamless rings, such as those produced at Schaeffler for roller bearings. This means that a casted ingot or conti-casted material is further processed into a rolled ring. Pre-material often have casting voids, which in the best case are closed during the production of the pre-ring. The ring rolling process itself, which you can see here on the TV, may create new voids so that the porosity present in the finished ring can originate from incompletely closed casting voids or from new voids introduced during the ring rolling process. However, the exact relationship between the process parameters in the production of bearing rings and the presence of voids in the components are largely unclear. As part of the project, the preform operations of the process chain, so the upsetting and the piercing to produce the pre-ring, will be investigated first, after the ring rolling process itself gets investigated. By analyzing the damage state of the pre-rings and the damage introduced in the ring rolling process, the origin of the porosity in the end product can precisely be clarified. Possibilities to minimize the porosity during the production process are investigated. An increase in service life is possible by controlling the damage in the final component. In addition to the development of a damage control process route, the transferability of the findings to a profiled industrial ring geometry is investigated by simulation. The results are then experimentally validated on a ring rolling mill of the application partner.